Hey, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring that bell. When you ring that bell, you get all my videos right away, as soon as they come out. Wonderful. Today, special video. It's morning time. I'm not even in my chef jacket yet. And got people visiting. My son, right? His girlfriend. My wife's running around somewhere. Things are happening. Breakfast time. Today's all about, making an interesting breakfast. Doesn't have to be the same old breakfast. Cereal or muffins and stuff like that. It's a little interesting. So life's about being interesting. Today, we're going to braise eggplant. And if you can eat eggs, I would suggest putting an egg on top and a little bit of a secret ingredient to serve on the side. Awesome. So, let's get started. Let's get cooking. Okay, first thing I need to do is cut up this eggplant. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dice it. I like to skin my eggplants sometimes. For this recipe, I'm definitely going to peel it. I want to cut it a good, ½ inch to 1 inch. Mix in about 2 teaspoons of olive oil, ½ teaspoon of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. Give this a good mix. Okay, I got this pan preheated, really hot, because I want to caramelize the eggplant. Hey, while the eggplant is caramelizing, we can cut the rest of our vegetables. Okay, 1 nice green pepper. Look how I do it. So I cut the ends off, I cut the sides off, and it's just easier to dice that way. And then about a ½ inch dice. One nice medium-sized onion, also about a ½ inch dice. Okay, I'm using 6 cloves of sliced garlic. And just take your garlic clove and just slice it nice and thin. Look at the caramelization on that eggplant. Very nice. That's very important. It's going to give you a nice, rich flavor. Okay, now I'm going to add to the pan about 1/4 cup of olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. I'm adding the peppers and onions that I cut up. I put the fire down to low. So I want to just cook these slowly in the olive oil. About 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a good pinch of salt. And I want to cook these nice and slow for about 5 to 7 minutes. They should be nice and soft. Okay, I'm going to be using a red pepper in this recipe, a roasted red pepper. And my roasted red pepper of choice is Mama Lil's. And it's got a nice flavor. I'm using Mama Lil's basic roasted red pepper. There's also a spicy one and an extra spicy one. And Mama Lil's has also some other products you might want to use in your cooking. But for today's recipe, it's been 5 minutes. You see the onion and green pepper is a little soft now. And then I add that garlic. Remember the sliced garlic? Okay, so the Mama Lil's red peppers, they come cut up already, but a little bit too large. So I'm just going to run a knife through them, just to make them a little small. I'm using a good half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of red pepper. Hey, if you like a little extra red pepper in your recipe, go for it. Okay, I mix this red pepper in here, and now we have that sweetness of the red pepper, the sweetness and the savoriness of the garlic and the green pepper. Wonderful. I'm adding back my eggplant. Then I need 1 can of diced tomato. Okay, I'm just using this organic canned diced tomato. Wonderful. Everything in that can, right in there. Good pinch of salt. Black pepper. This is going to take about 20 minutes. Just cooking on a nice slow heat, stirring it occasionally, and this is going to stew together, and all those good flavors are going to blend together into a great tasting dish. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. You can see it's kind of cooked down, and it's now kind of stewed together. I gotta taste it. Delicious, really good. You get the fruity olive oil and the roasted red peppers. Got a little sharpness with the garlic and savoriness at the same time. Wonderful. Okay, I'm going to finish off a little bit of chopped parsley just to give it that freshness, that brightness. But for those of you who are vegetarian, fry an egg, put it on top. The loose yolk can serve as a sauce. Very nice. But something I am going to serve this with is something called knekkebrod, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's a Norwegian crisp bread. It's like a flat cracker. A lot of whole grains in it. Very delicious. And this brand, wonderful. I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can go on their website, check them out. Fantastic. This is a rosemary and lemon flavored crisp bread, and it's wonderful. That's really good. It's like toasted seeds and grains, and then a nice rosemary flavor and the tart lemon. Very well balanced, very delicious. Goes very well with this dish. Don't forget to check out the link below. And don't forget to check out the link for the roasted peppers. Mama Lil's, awesome. If you like this recipe, check out my eggplant parmesan recipe. Eggplant's a wonderful thing. Cooking with it's wonderful. And I'll see you with the next video.